how to make Iaso tea. So you just put some water in the pot, okay? Or you can get a gallon of water like this, okay? All right, and pour half of it in a pot, okay? Let it boil. Then you'll have your tea waiting, because it only takes the water about 2 minutes to boil, right? So you have your tea bags waiting, okay? Now I put 2 packs of tea because I've been drinking the tea for some time. So 2 packs won't work, so 4 packs will work. What I like about the new packs of tea, with Total Life Changes, is that the packaging is actually smaller, but the bags inside is actually bigger, okay? The bags, the packaging is smaller, but the actual tea bags are actually bigger and they have more herbs in it. So that's actually better, okay? So this is the package. This is what the tea has in it, okay? Permission leaves, holy thistle, marva leaves, marshmallows, blessed thistle, papaya, myrrh, chamomile, and ginger, okay? You boil your pot of water, okay? Now, once it's boiling, all you're going to do, guys, is drop your tea bags into the water. And you're just going to let it sit. So here's the directions, okay? Bring a quart of water to a full rolling boil. Do not put this in a microwave, okay? Add 2 tea bags to the hot water and cover it. Remove from the heat and let it steep 4 to 8 hours. Now, I suggest you just do 8 hours because it will be more stronger, okay? Then all you do now is pour this water with the tea and the tea bags into a container or back into your gallon, okay? So it's very, very simple, guys. I've been making this tea for about 3 years. I lost over like 75 pounds, with it. My husband lost a little bit of weight. My daughter, she lost a little bit of weight. My other daughter, I think she lost about 8 pounds with it, guys. But remember, consistency is key. That's why I said I have to put more tea bags, because now just the 2 alone don't work for me, okay? The 4 together, yes. And I'll have it for a week. Now, if I eat meat this week, literally, I'm going to, detox. If, I eat stuff that I normally don't, I'm going to detox. Now, I don't eat a lot of junk food, but if I do, I'm going to, detox. But you need to detox every day. Detox, this is my formula, guys. I basically, drink the tea at night. I'll drink an 8-ounce or a 16-ounce glass at night so I can wake up and go to the bathroom. See, there's the thing, guys. I didn't realize how critical cleansing was until I got involved with Total Life Changes. I didn't realize how critical detoxing was until I got with Total Life Changes, okay? Now I understand it. So now I have a tea that helps you detox, cleanse, go to the bathroom, feel better, and lose weight all together, and I can make money. So it's just a no-brainer, okay? It's a no-brainer. You can actually get started with 25 packs of tea and literally make 600, double your money, and take the tea and go to the bathroom and feel good and have some positive thoughts and help clear your mind up, because if your colon is full of shit, then all the fumes is going to your brain. And this is why a lot of people think negative. They can't think right. They have migraines. I used to have terrible migraines. And it was simply because I had too many parasites in me. So with the TLC tea, it's getting rid of the parasites. Not 100% of all of them, but it's getting rid of the parasites. So that just alone, guys, it has too many benefits. And babies from 5 years old can start drinking this tea. Okay, guys, so all you do is just put tea bags in, okay? Leave the tea bags there and turn it off and let it sit for about 8 hours. And then now you pour the tea and the tea bags into a container, a large gallon container, or just pour it back into the water. Choice is yours, guys. But however you're going to do it, get it done. Now, I put some kind of raspberry lemonade powder sometimes in there just to give it a little sweetener for, you know, my kids and my husband to actually drink. But most of the time, I don't. Okay? So, TLC tea, guys, is the best tea. Been around for about 20 years, and it ain't going nowhere. Okay? So, I love TLC. I'm a rock TLC, especially this tea and coffee, to the day I die. This is how you make Iaso tea in 5 minutes.